welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and if you are new to this channel, well, hi, my name is Antra and I create content related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle, travel and sometimes photography. So in case if you are interested in watching, then do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I will upload any new video, you guys will get updated. So as I usually say, आपने मेरे thumbnail या cover से पढ़ ही लिया होगा कि जो आज का वीडियो है वो क्या होने वाला है. So this is all about very easy breezy summary ethnic wear Flipkart haul, and as you know, Flipkart is an OG brand. You can find the best summer collection over here. Along with this, it has wide variety of genuine international brand, और अब Flipkart सारे vernacular languages में भी है, so there is no as such issue. On top of that, it has really easy return exchange process जो काफ़ी fast होता है. Cherry on top, it has selection of influencer styles which are refreshed weekly. So yeah, without blabbering a lot, let's quickly hop into the video. So before moving forward, let me clear you that every product you will see in this video are either below 500, like most of them 500 के अंदर ही हैं, but there is just a single product जो around 650 है. So yeah, let's get started with my favorite and very first product. So this is very easy breezy, काफी हल्दी वाला outfit है ना. This one is by Libas, and this is your regular fit straight kurta, if I'm not wrong. So you can see this is how the material looks like, very summery, and इसमें ना थोड़ी थोड़ी detailing दी हुई है white color से. I really don't know what it is called, but this is how it looks like. And जो भी size है आप उसको size chart में जाके measure कर सकते हैं. It is really easy. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Yellow is my most favorite color along with white. So yeah, this is how it looks like. और इसको पहनने में तो next is my most favorite products amongst all. So this is this cute anarkali. Oh my god, this is so summer appropriate. I mean, look at the sleeves, look at the perfectly blended color of indigo and white. This is how the back looks like. जो इसकी जो स्टिचिंग है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है guys, and the material is, oh my god, काफ़ी हल्का है. And लेट मी शो यू, ये बिल्कुल भी ट्रांसपेरेंट नहीं है. इफ़ यू फील लाइक वाइट है तो ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा, तो नो, इट्स अ बिग नो. यू कैन वेयर इट लाइक दिस ओनली. यू डोंट नीड टू वेयर एनी लेगिंग्स और शरारा और एनीथिंग इन द बॉटम. दिस इट सेल्फ लुक सुपर सुपर एस्थेटिक टू मी. दिस इज हाउ द फ्रिल, ये जो नीचे का जो भी बोलते हैं अनारकली का, ये कुछ ऐसा है. एंड या super easy breezy summery dress it is. अब next is again my most favorite. मैं ये सारे कपड़ों के लिए बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज ट्रस्ट मी यू गाइज, इसमें जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं यू विल लव वेयरिंग दैम. द मटेरियल, द क्वालिटी, द स्टिचिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो परफेक्ट. So this is the set of two things, which is a dupatta and anarkali. So this is how the color looks like. Really fresh for summer. So this is how the anarkali looks like. Material बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है, trust me you guys. और ये इसके sleeves हैं. I mean, what you can't get in Flipkart under 500. So this is their sleeves जो चूड़ी बन जाती है सामने में. On top of that, buttons भी दिए हुए हैं you guys. So this is how the front looks like. And ये इसका back है. And this is what the length of anarkali looks like. And you will be amazed by its दुपट्टे का color. काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉन्ट्रास्ट है. और साइड में आई थिंक गोटा पत्ती के हाँ थोड़े थोड़े वर्क हुए हैं विथ टैसल्स. सो इट लुक्स अमेजिंग वाइल पेयरिंग. इसके साथ बॉटम नहीं है, सो यू कैन पेयर इट विथ एनी योर रेगुलर बेसिक शरारा चूड़ीदार यू हैव एट योर होम. सो दिस इज अ थम्स अप फॉर मी. Flipkart is best value for money platform with 10 lakh plus styles. Flipkart has very easy return, refund and return policies along with super fast delivery. Up next on the list is again my most favorite set of Sharara kurti and chunni, and you won't believe guys, this one is around 600 something, like under 700 for sure, and you won't believe ये इतना perfectly like शादी appropriate dress है, I mean outfit है. Let me show you. This Sharara set comes in 3 piece जिसमें there is a चुन्नी जिसमें गोटा पत्ती का work हो रखा है, and there is top and bottom. Isn't this look super amazing? So this is how the kurti looks like. ये आजकल जो थोड़ा नीचे फ्रिल वाला पैटर्न चल रहा है कुछ वैसा है, और this is cut sleeves, and then we have it's Sharara जो similar pattern में है. This is how the Sharara pant looks like, really wide and nice from नीचे से, and काफ़ी comfy है इसका material. And this is how the chunni looks like, very nice, simple and really good in color. Really looks perfect on wearing. और साथ ही ये quad set का एक ये benefit होता है ना, you can like pair it with another, like you can pair this with white palazzo, you can pair this with any other color का kurti. So yeah, mix match thing will never go wrong. So yeah, this is my most favorite amongst all, which is priced under something I will mention over here. Not the least is I have yet another anarkali, and you won't believe guys, इसकी जो stitching है वो इतनी अच्छी है ना, waist पे perfect cinch आता है, and this full sleeves thing looks so elegant and pretty while wearing. आपका जो body का shape है enhances, like this anarkali enhances it a lot. काफ़ी comfy है, material भी काफ़ी soft है, as you can see. This material is अलग and this material is अलग. So समर के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So this is how इसका length looks like, and you will be amazed by its चुन्नी. Although ये जो दोनों मैंने अनारकली शो किए वो सिमिलर हैं, बट जो इनके चुन्नी के पैटर्न हैं they are really different. So this is how the दुपट्टा looks like. Isn't it super aesthetic? यहाँ आपको साइड में टैसल भी है, थोड़ा बहुत गोटा पत्ती का भी वर्क हुआ है, and it will look really amazing on wearing. Like look at this. So I think this is going to look perfect with, you know, anything नीचे में leggings or anything. all for today, wrapping up the video over here, and I think मैंने जितना भी product है वो सब दिखा दिया है, और miss हो गया होगा तो I'll add that on my Instagram. Do not forget to follow me there as well. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and if you did, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload any new video, you guys will get notified. Signing off. Bye bye.